Ladies and gentlemen, we have a huge problem. By road alone, we transport over 8 billion tons of goods annually, which is similar to 1 million Eiffel Towers around the world. How can we do this more sustainable and meet growing demands? The answer is smart mobility. New concepts like truck platooning directly contributing to our higher social goals, accessibility, sustainability and safety. In order to show that it's not a vista, we drove this spring with platoons on our public roads through Europe of all truck manufacturers, just to put irreversible steps. Our next goal is organizing real-life test cases before the end of 2017, integrated with the business logistic processes of shippers like Ahold, like Jumbo, like Unilever, like Heineken. And that's the best evidence we really realized a breakthrough in next generation mobility. Thank you very much.